Alright, here is a short video on homework problem 2-55 from homework 2.1.5. Okay, we are going to try to solve x in this diagram to the right here. And we're going to figure out how to do that using our angle relationships. Okay, so first I'm thinking here that 10x plus 5, well, that angle right there, that's represented by that equation, is corresponding angles to this angle right here, which means this angle, this black angle up here, is also 10x plus 5 because corresponding angles are congruent. Okay? Now, this black angle right here is vertical angles to this angle right here. So the black one and the red one, they're also equal because vertical angles are equal. And so this red angle is also 10x plus 5. I'm going to put that one in there this time. 10x plus 5. Okay? Now, this angle, this red angle, and what I'll call the blue angle is 15x minus 30. This red angle and the blue angle, those are corresponding angles because they're in that same position, but for traveling down that transversal. Okay, which means that the red angle and the blue angle are equal, which means I'm allowed to set those two equations equal to one another. So I can say 10x plus 5 is equal to 15x minus 30. Okay, now I got to get x's on one side, non-x's on the other, so I'm going to subtract 10x here on both sides. That's going to leave me with 5 equals 5x minus 30. And then I'm going to add 30 to both sides. And that's going to give me 35 equals 5x. And when I divide both sides by 5 here, 35 divided by 5 gives me 7. And I have x equaling 7, which I believe they just want me to find x, and I have done that. And so there's my final answer for that problem. Again, it's practicing our angle relationships. 10x plus 5 is equal to this black angle here because they're corresponding. The black angle up here is equal to the red angle because they're vertical. The red angle and the blue angle are equal because it's, again, corresponding. Okay?